Hello, assalamu alaikum. Viewer, today we will learn Laravel 9 plus vendor management. So we will discuss how to create a vendor management website where vendor will do everything and company and vendor will link with the website. So how to start this project by Laravel? Create a Laravel project. We need to go our folder, htdocs folder. So I am playing with command cd my location. Okay, location goes, and next I need to be command here, create a new Laravel project with vendor. I am creating a project which is name is vendor. Composer create a project Laravel vendor. This is the name of my project, vendor. Just click now, enter, and vendor website is creating by Laravel command. So there needs 3 or 4 minutes to work. So we will come after the creating project. My project is now ready. So let's go others command, and so go to our folder, go to our project folder, cd vendor. Okay, cls. Our next command is Laravel Jetstream require. Okay, go to the command and enter. Then this project is creating. There is some time need to be installed. After installation, to complete the Laravel Jetstream installation, there are several commands we need to provide here. Just copy the Laravel Jetstream install Livewire. Copy this command and enter the command. Migration successfully. Then PHP addition Jetstream install Livewire team. Okay, there need few minutes to install Livewire. After completing, we need to run this project. We need to run this command what we copied, Laravel PHP addition Jetstream install Livewire team. We need to wait here to complete this command work. When complete this project, or we can do another way to run with another command, but we are waiting for this completing this run project. When the command work is completed, then I will come to here. Okay, there are several package was installed in this package. Check the edits 97 package and I edited the 98 packages in 46 seconds. Okay, now my Livewire is getting installed. Okay, run the next command, copy and paste here. Team also work. Then we need to inertia. Install the inertia. Just copy this command and wait for the completing this project. The rest command work. Okay, generating the optimize auto for load file. Okay. okay, 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 okay. Next command we have copied, just paste and enter. Inertia work. Next command, inertia team. Wait the rest command completed. The completing the project. Okay, okay. Generating optimized autoload file. We need to be wait here. Viewer, you may know that Laravel is very easy language, which is everything is in the document in the Laravel.com. You can follow the Laravel.com and learn everything of Laravel, which is based on best practice of coding. Okay, transferring. We need to wait here to run the command which is transforming. Now Bhatt is building the production, module transferred, and everything are fine. Now run the next command, inertia team. Inertia team will works quickly, so we need to copy the next command and come here. Here need to wait another front command. Okay, I am copied the another. Okay, just enter. Then here npm install and npm run dev. To complete the vendor management website, we will follow the Laravel shift blueprint, which has created the website very perfectly and very quickly. Go our command cd and copy and paste the next command and enter. When this is all fine, we will run our code in our Visual Studio. Now run our next command, blueprint, artisan blueprint build. Just copy it our data and here come our code and check draft.eml file. So there is no folder. Just create a new file, draft. draft.eml file and paste here all data and run the command. Run the command. Everything is working fine. Now we have to install the npm run install, npm install and npm run dev. npm run dev. Run our another cd, another cmd, and run our project. To run project, php partition self. The project was run already. Just come here and copy and paste. Check. Here is the issue, the machine refused to run it. Check this here, npm run dev and npm just php partition optimize, click php partition optimize. Okay, click here. We need to migrate this project, so go here, localhost, we need to run our jump control panel and run the Apache and MySQL localhost php-myadmin. No connection, that means there is no connection with our just start and php-myadmin. When our php-myadmin create run, then we need to create our db and connect with. We will connection provide here vendor. Okay, and to go on localhost, create a new db and vendor created. When vendor created, then go over here command and php partition migrate. Sorry, no. Okay, database. We have to optimize and php partition migrate. Now it's working fine. Okay, no connection could be made in the targeted machine, refused after table failed unique ID. Okay, we need to go here and check the vendor what's work. Sorry, our MySQL folder, MySQL is refused to connect it. Just click to restart and wait for now. This is again working fine, so we need to run the command. php partition migrate. Sorry, so here php partition migrate fresh. When did we run the fresh? So again MySQL DB is working fine now. So php partition optimize, click and run the website. When run the website, check our website is run very fastly and quickly. So we are going to register. We have installed Laravel Jetstream, which is logo is Laravel Jetstream. Just click coding at the rate gmail.com. coding. Just click the register. It must be password. And just copy it here and paste here and enter. This is working fine now. Okay, just check that our everything is working fine. So this is now what I did. Just click here, all copied, all draft has been installed. Just check our HTTP controller, every controller created, and our web root. Check our root web file and come here and check our web root. Check our root and maybe not work out because we not this is the user file. Okay, best we need to work is this.